Let's make some delicious Dahi Bhalley, which is an all-time favorite, especially during the month of Ramadan. So what we'll be doing is walking you through this in two parts. First, for the pakoras, you need 1 cup besan, half cup warm water, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, as well as coriander seeds. For the yogurt, you need half diced tomato, half diced onion, 1/4 cup chopped coriander, 4 green chili peppers, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 cup milk, and 2 cups of yogurt. So let's get started. So for the pakora, we're going to take our besan, which is chickpea flour, slowly add the warm water as well as the red chili powder, salt, cumin seeds, and coriander seed, and mix this really well. You want to mix this slowly and make sure it turns into a smooth paste. So you don't want to add the water all together because you don't want it to be lumpy. Then you want to take up some oil heated on a pan on top of your stove, and you're going to spoon in one at a time the pakoras. So these are going to be about 2 inches wide, and then flip it really quickly, and you want to continue to flip this back and forth about 2 to 3 times. Once they're golden brown, you're going to start putting this in a bowl of water. So slowly take it from the oil and take it into the water just like this. Make sure your spoon doesn't touch the water or else the oil will start splattering. Once you've taken them all out, we're going to move to assembling. First, you're going to take a dish and you're going to slowly place all the dahi bhalleys at the bottom in a layer. You could layer them on top of each other if you have enough, or it could just be one layer, does not matter. What you're going to do is squeeze the water gently with your hands, make sure you don't break the bhallets, and you want to layer them in the dish. Now, as you continue to layer this, you'll ensure that they don't go on top of each other once you're putting them, but when you have more than enough, then you can layer them in this sequence so they're half on top of each other. Once the layering is done, we're now going to make our yogurt mix. So take your entire can of yogurt, and then you're going to add your milk to this and stir really well. You want this to be smooth before you add all the garnish and the spices in here. So stir this really well so the milk and the yogurt are mixed well together. And after you're done stirring it for a minute or so, you're gonna add all the remaining spices. So the diced tomato, onion, chopped coriander, green chilies, chaat masala, all of it goes in here. You can add more chaat masala on top after and more coriander on top after to garnish as well. This is such a great dish. You can have it as a side or a main. It also goes nice with rice. You can also have it just by itself for dinner if you prefer. Once you're done, what you're going to do, slowly you're going to pour this yogurt mixture on top of the dish with the bhallets in it. Just be careful to not touch them yet. You just want to pour it slowly, make sure they're all dipped in with a fork to fluff it up a little bit, and then you're going to garnish it. I'm just going to garnish it with coriander and also chaat masala. Some people also garnish it with other chutneys. I just prefer not to because I think the flavors are all in there. So just like that, now I'm going to fluff them up a little bit as they have absorbed some of the yogurt, and it just looks beautiful when you're ready to serve. But here's a real test. Are the bhallets soft? So we break one and wow, it's so perfect. This is how it looks when you serve it. I really hope you try this out. Here is the recipe, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great recipes. Until next time, keep stirring it up.